Hello everyone, welcome to NeoMolds. Today in this video I'll explain you how to do a vendor registration through a NeoMolds app. First you have to install the NeoMold app which we get in a Play Store. So I've already installed it. So now I'm going to open the app. This is how the NeoMold app will be displayed. So this is how you get the login page. Okay, in the app, see, once if you are registered, then you can directly apply your username and password. You can sign in. If you don't have any account, you have to sign up. So now I'm going to sign up as a vendor because I have a store and have to register that to this NeoMold. So I'm going to do it through a vendor sign up. So as you can see, here there is an option called vendor. So you can choose the vendor option. Then enter your mobile number. So once you have entered your mobile number, then you will get an link like passcode for your mobile number. So I have going to show you. Agree terms and conditions and then go. Then you will get a OTP for the registered mobile number. You have to enter the OTP which you will get to the registered mobile number. So now you will have a PIN setup. Okay, so this PIN acts as a password for you. You can change later words. So I'm going to set up a PIN now and submit. So successful. Your vendor registration has been completely successful. Now what you have to do is just enter your username, like the number which you are given will act as your username, and then the password is your secure PIN which you have given. Then you have to sign in. Once you are signed in, this is how the vendor dashboard looks. So first what we have to do is we have to set up our profile. To set up our profile, we have to fill all the required details which are given here. Profile, then a photos, and then address, and the account details, and then a package. Okay. So what I'm going to do is see already the mobile number which we have given while the registration, it will be auto selected. Then if you have a shop, you have to give your shop name. If it is anything, it's some fancy store, you have to give it like this. And then alternate mobile number if you have, and a mail ID if you have. Then NeoMold referral code if you are if you are selected from some reference, then you have to enter your referral code, and you have to select the category as electrical or electronic shop or a grocery shop or something like that, you from the options. So mine is a fancy store. I'm going to choose it as a fashion store now, and then you will go for next. So here in the photos you have to choose the image. You have to type like main pic or a pic 2 or pic 1. You have to choose here. So I'm going to put a main pic for my vendor shop. Then choose image. If you are choosing the image from the library, you can load it from the library or you can use a camera. So as you can see, so next I'm going to choose the address. Okay, so for the address, what I have to do is I have to enter the door number of our fashion store. Okay, I'm going to add it some door number now. And then which cross we are in the main. And next the city which you are staying. If you are staying in Bangalore, Bangalore. If you are staying Belgaum, Belgaum. And the district. Then the state for which that belongs to. And the pin code of particular city. And if you have a Facebook link of your office, you can store, you can use it, or Instagram link. If you don't have, you can leave it like that. Then you have to fetch your location, so you can use your current location. Once it has been updated, then you can enter your account details. So here you have to fill your account number, bank account name, IFSC code, and you have to give for the update thing. Once it has been updated, it will show you a package. So you can use, okay, whether you are a silver, if you want to use a silver package, you can use silver package. If you want to use a gold package, you can use a gold package. If you want a platinum package, you can use. So all these packages will have a particular offers, like 100,000 SMS, 1000 mails will be given. You can upload 10 products in an app, okay, and that's the same way in a gold. You'll have a 25 products, you can apply 25 products in an app, okay. And then if you use a platinum, it will be your first priority display. So you can upload 100 products in a single app, okay. So if you want for free, you can use it for free, but there you will not have any offers like SMS or mails, or like you can uploading the products, you won't be having any of these offers. Then you will give for the subscribe. Once you are subscribed, so your details will be shown in the dashboard. You'll have all here, like once you are subscribed, you'll get all these options. This is how you're going to register for the vendor registration, and you'll have here so many options, okay. You can add money to your wallet, or you can change your password, and you will have your own QR code. Thank you.